Hi! In front of me is iPhone 13 Pro Max, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen on this device. You need to begin by opening App Store. Then click on the search bar and type in split screen. Following that, you need to install this free app from this developer, Split Screen Dual Window. When your app is ready, open it. Now you need to click on wherever you wish to in all of those pop-ups. I will go with Ask App Not to Track and Don't Allow. And then press and hold to start dragging the split screen. Finally, you can select two apps that you wish to use in this view. In my case, Facebook and YouTube. As you can see, after that, I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, you need to close your app. If you wish to resize your screen, you can do that by holding this line and dragging it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!